Good day, doodlers! Welcome to Draw Cartoons. If you want to learn how to draw the fast and easy way, this is the place to be. Feeling festive, are we? Well, good. We've got another popular Christmas plant to learn to draw today. It's none other than holly, that classic red and green beauty of a plant. This is super quick and it'll take you less than 2 minutes. As always, you'll need a pencil, paper, an eraser and a Sharpie to go over your sketch with. Let's go! Let's get started. But first, if you want to learn to draw the fast and easy way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Let's begin. So more or less in the center of your page, to draw our holly, we're just going to draw 3 circles, all kind of bunched together. Make sure they're just gently overlapping like that. And if you need help drawing a circle, grab a coin or grab pretty much any circular shape you can find, although honestly a coin is probably your best bet. And it doesn't matter if one's a little bit bigger than the others. If anything, that just gives it a bit more character and makes it look a bit more realistic if you're going for that. So from this kind of triangular shaped assembly of berries, we're going to draw out 3 lines that kind of curve as they come away from our original shape here. So you can see that they've all got this curve that's bending this way. I just think that's quite an interesting way of drawing the shapes of the leaves. These are just the spines of the leaves, and we're going to add the spikes of those leaves right now. So starting at the bottom of this leaf, basically it's quite simple. We're just going to bring out little spike shapes like this and then bend them back towards that spine and then finish with a point like that. Okay, and then just doing the same on the other side again. Just a few spikes and then bring it back in and make sure it's nice and narrow as it goes in towards the berries there. So this one as well, just kind of bringing out a spike like that and a spike like that. And don't worry about getting them all perfect and even. I mean, they are natural shapes, and very often in nature things kind of grow a little bit funny or different to one another. That's how nature works. It's totally normal. So go for it. Give them a bit more character, make them a little bit uneven. Don't worry about being too careful with the way that you draw these. Just kind of have fun with it. So there we go. Just going to add a little bit poking out there and bring it back in behind that berry. You can add a bit of shine to each of these berries. Make sure you draw it in the same part of the circle. If you put shine in the top right of one circle, make sure you put it in the top right of all of the circles. And there we go. Our sketch of holly is done at this point, so you can grab your Sharpie and go over all the lines. There's no real guidelines this time. You can even go over these spines in the middle a bit. And then you'll have your very own drawing of holly ready to colour in time for Christmas. And there you go, throw on the festive colours red and green and you've got yourself a lovely cartoon piece of holly. A perfect decoration for a homemade Christmas card, perfect every time. By the way, I'd love to see all of your drawings over on the Draw Cartoons Discord. You can share any artwork, tips and video ideas whenever you want, and absolutely everyone is welcome. Just scroll down, hit that Discord link down there, and if you need to, make a Discord account. They're quick and they are free. That's it. Welcome to the Discord Doodlers. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you drop me a like and subscribe if you want to keep learning to draw the fast and easy way. Until next time.